What's up, guys? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Right now I am on my way to get Scott, and we are going airsoft. Well, my first time. He's like a pro and do like all this crazy stuff, airsofting, I'm sure. This is the first time for me going airsoft. I've never gone before. I've gone paintballing once, but I didn't get hit, so I still don't know what like paintball or airsoft gun like getting hit feels like. That should be interesting. So I'm going on the way to pick him up. I just went to the bank, dropped off some monies because saving up big for those camera equipment, and yeah, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Mine was decent. I mean, I got through it. We got through it. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you had a good time with your families. Sadly, this is the first video back, and I'll be back in jail tomorrow. We had 4 days off for Thanksgiving, so back to jail on Monday, when you'll be seeing this video, hopefully, if not Tuesday. Scott, I'm hither.
Just go to the side door and knock.
Oh, okay. Bye. So I just picked up Scott, and Scott's ready for war. I'm a goon. He's got him dressed to the nines in camo. Oh boy. How does one even play this game? On a scale from 1 to 10, how bad is this gonna hurt? 10? I don't even know what I'm doing.
I was fixing Noah's gun! We got one of the midgets running in! Yeah, you might be able to pick off one of the littles.
I see Olsen. Oh, here's a little.
Engaging! I just shot myself in the head.
Alright, so I hope everybody's having a great day. We're just out here. I don't know what the f I'm doing. Hey, there's a kid over there. I can't tell if someone's shooting at me or just missing terribly. Oh great, now you got him pointing at me. I'm going down. Hey, I can reload.
No, no.
Yeah.
Dale! Stop, man! Help us! Dale!
Down, down. I'm out.
Shoot though! Hey!
Why doesn't this shoot? Me. Yeah, that's no good. I got it. I just I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance for if what you just saw or if depending on how I put this all together, we are done. It was kind of cold, kind of warmed up once I started sprinting around and stuff, but we are done. I did pretty well for my first time. I still didn't get shot, so yeah, I don't know how that feels. My SD card filled up really fast and I couldn't get more clips, but there was one clip that I should have gotten, which we pinned these people down in a fort, and one kid ran in there and they all stood up and then I lit them up. So that was like one of the exciting times, and of course the SD was full by then. So I don't know what I got on the GoPro. I apologize in advance, or after you saw the footage, I guess. So, oh look, they made a nice Christmas thing. Like, look, he wrapped his house like a present. Now I think I'm going home. My brother left to go back to college. That was great. I'm still contemplating whether I should get another GoPro, or because I have the session, the 4 session, so that's like the lowest low. So I don't know if I should get another GoPro like the Session 5 or the Hero 5, or just keep saving my money for something. I finally figured out my dream camera, which is gonna take a lot of work to get there, but it's gonna take a lot of work. But I also need to get a backpack because I can't keep just shoving my drone or taking the box everywhere, pain in the butt. I need to get a backpack, and the deals on Cyber Monday, Black Friday are kind of good, so I gotta do that. I'd say that's an excellent parking job by me. I mean, stellar, stunning, in between the lines and everything. I just got coming back to the bank because I need to check my balance real quick. Oh yeah, look at that parking. Look at that parking. Oh my God, honey. Alright, so it is later now. I just took a shower. I saw the sunset today. Oh my God, I got the drone up in time. The sky was pink. Hopefully the drone captured it nicely. I didn't go through any of the footage yet. I don't know how I'm gonna play this through, but if you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Don't forget to leave a like, share with friends, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye!
I'm like, hey, what's up?